Today we're going to be repairing the broken mounting tabs on this 2012 Audi A5 headlight. So here I have the factory repair kit, and to show you, here is the part number for the right side headlight. And in this kit you're going to get 4 screws, 3 T20 screws, 1 larger screw that's going to hold 2 of these plastic brackets together, and then 1 retaining clip. So this kit comes with these 3 pieces: the side mounting tab and the upper mounting tab, which these 2 will connect together to make a single mounting tab. So really this repair kit only gives you the top 2 mounting tabs. So we're going to go ahead and get this installed. We're going to start with the side mounting tab. So this piece is just going to slide right onto the corner here. Get that nice and snug. And then we'll take 2 of the T20 torque screws and we'll go ahead and get these installed. Alright, so that's on there nice and tight. Now for the top one is only going to have 1 screw that is going to hold this bracket on. And you want to look at this. This is going to have 3 little nubs here. Which are going to slide into 3 slots here. And then on the side, you'll see another little nub. So this piece is going to slide into this little slot. So we're going to just align this, and then we're going to slide it in until the screw hole aligns. And you may need to grab a pair of pliers here to help pop that into place. But once it's in, you're going to grab your last T20 screw, and then alright, so now that's the base for the top mounting tab. And then we'll take the other part and slide it right into place. And then this is where you're going to grab the black long screw here, and this is going to just slide through, and we'll just turn this hand tight into place. Okay, so that's in place, and now it's nice and tight, and that will hold that all in place. And then this can be tightened down once it's installed on the vehicle, and this gets locked into its final position. And then your last metal ring goes here back on. So the metal ring is just going to fit snugly right into the side mounting tab. So you're just gonna get that aligned in there and either push it down with your fingers or just grab a pair of pliers. With your pliers, you're just going to give that a nice little squeeze, and it's going to slide right into place. So that's all there is to installing the factory repair kit on this Audi A5 headlight. Thank you for watching.